Ready to unlock the power of automation without spending a dime? Let's dive into how you can get an 8n for free and start automating your tasks today. First, we'll explore the self-hosted version, the key to truly free N8n use. This involves installing N8n on your own server or computer. Head over to the N8n website and follow the detailed installation guides for your operating system. You'll find options for Docker, NPM, and more. While self-hosting requires some technical know-how, it grants you complete control and lets you use an 8n without limitations on executions or workflows. Consider using a free tier cloud provider like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for an even cheaper solution. Since you are self-hosting, you will need support. Leverage the N8n community forum. It's a fantastic resource to find answers to your questions, share your workflows, and get help from fellow N8n users. Remember, the community is your biggest asset with the free self-hosted version. While the self-hosted version is incredibly powerful, keep in mind that you will be responsible for maintenance, updates, and security. It will also lack the premium support and some of the collaboration features offered in the paid cloud version. So, there you have it. By using the self-hosted version and tapping into the community, you can harness the full potential of an 8n for free and start streamlining your workflows today. Happy automating!